Black cement 3s sold out, but you still could have got them type thing. And I think that's a great space to be. I'm not gonna lie. I never would have thought this pair of Jordan 3s was gonna be so easy to get. Low key, this morning on sneakers, I realized that a lot has changed throughout the years. It's a good thing in many ways, but as far as excitement, it kind of does kill it a little bit. We'll get into that later in this video. If you do end up enjoying this one, make sure you leave a like on it down below. 300 likes is the goal for this video. Also, thanks to all of y'all who have been joining the family. I do appreciate y'all. But all that being said, let's get into the Jordan 3 Black Cements, possibly for the last time in its own separate video. I might bring these up for sneaker of the year conversation with a bunch of other shoes, but it's not gonna get its own dedicated should you even buy these right now video, you feel me? My size 9.5 is probably going for like $200. These do come in that OG box. These are honestly a cop, bro. When it comes to the bottom line, should you buy Black Cement 3s? I'll say yes every time. Could be me being biased, but unless you have a new pair somewhere in the tuck, I would honestly cop this one. If you could find a solid pair of these with no quality control issues, I would honestly say go for it, simply because these are clean and I don't see them going for much lower than what they're at right now. Maybe like 190 after fees is gonna be retail. I think a lot of pairs are drying up at this point. This morning at the peak of the drop, when I went to the sneakers app, there was no queue, nothing like we used to see back in the day where you entered the raffle and then you came back to receive your L 9 out of 10 times. Nowadays you low-key see sizes dwindling in the wind. So if you wanted these shits and you didn't get them, honestly you didn't really want them or didn't have the bread that you were willing to spend on them, because they were on there, bro. I know for sure if I wanted them on sneakers app, I could have grabbed them. I saw hella sizes available, and that's really what I be talking about when it comes to sneakers flopping. It's not really telling y'all to not buy the shoe. You do whatever you want. I bought these shits early, my head ass. I'm not telling y'all what to do. I'm just saying sneakers ain't selling out. That's just the cold hard truth, you feel me? Back in the day, like I said earlier, you wouldn't even have the shot at getting these and you felt almost lucky if you got them. Now these shits just sit and you're waiting for them to go on sale. That's what's expected type shit. But these right here, that's gonna be a different story. I think all pairs are gonna end up drying out and then people gonna regret not getting them. I already had my pair, so I wasn't too stressed. I already also have my beat pair, which I'ma just keep beating. Pause. Diddy, go away, bro. I'll be trying to tell him to just stay away, but he keep coming back. Listen, these right here are out of here. So if you got them, you got them while they were hot. If not, they gonna dry up. I think a couple pairs might pop up here and there, but it's debatable if these are gonna go on sale. That's just my personal opinion. Let me know if you feel different in the comments. I am usually down there chopping it up with y'all. But as far as sneakers go, these go crazy, bro. They're the OGs. I love the fire reds. I'm low-key waiting for true blues, bro. My shit look like canoes, and every time I pull these shits out, I get allergic. I'm not gonna lie. They the allergic 3s, bro. These shits is cooked beyond means. I honestly love Jordan 3s, as y'all could see, and I need true blues because we got fire reds, black cement, white cement. Need true blues. Final verdict on these is that they're hard, bro. It just is what it is. I'm not gonna compare them to any other shoes like the years. Fire, may I add, and probably cheaper. We don't even know these days. These might fuck around and go to $150.
The more you fuck around, the more you're gonna find out.
I can't even predict it because the game is crazy. I'm actually content with how many sneakers I have right now, but I gotta keep buying them for content purposes. So y'all might see the collection shift a little bit. I'm actually gonna try to do a collection video for y'all because some shit might be shifting around in the collection. So I could keep buying these early. Or y'all could low-key make the content blow up by leaving likes. If we start getting 1,000 likes per video, I'll be able to buy all the early heat and it'll low-key trickle down. More content and all that. These go crazy. Did you need them? Did you skip on them? Are you just waiting for 2025? There's so much heat dropping, like the Rare Air 3s and 4. Bro, I don't even gotta talk about it. There's a whole nother video dropping soon. Make sure y'all subscribe because I got some heat on the way per usual. Black Cement 3s are concluded, bro. These shits are cooked. Did y'all take a W because you chose to, or did you take a L? The gamble with online though, one of the gambles with getting them online is the fact that you don't even know what you getting. You might order these shits expecting this and get this right there. There's hella issues when it comes to quality, so they might be sitting online. You don't even know if you about to get catfished on the sneaker. Shit's crazy. But if you get them from somebody who you trust, you gonna be straight. I still need Fear 4s. I need Amon 95s. I feel like next year is kind of gonna feel like this, where there's so much shit constantly dropping that you miss on the heat that you wanted to cop. That's not even going for nothing crazy like this, you feel me? But it's still too much to even keep up with in the first place. That combined with the fact that we're just growing up and want to invest in different things, I kind of see why people shift their mentality towards different directions when it comes to the sneaker game. These right here are a must cop. It doesn't matter what stage of life you in. This would be one of the few sneakers that I kept in my collection even if I didn't have any more sneakers type shit. This would be one of the top 7. If I only had one shoe per day or 7 days, oh, that would be a fire video. I'm not even gonna bring that up.
The Illuminator 3000!
That's hard. Y'all getting the exclusive, bro. I literally just broke down how I'm gonna drop a whole new video for y'all. If only 7 shoes existed, so 1 shoe per day of the week, there was only 7 shoes left, this would make it on that 7-day list. So whenever y'all see that video drop, expect these. Y'all could low-key comment Black Cement 3 and I know y'all came from this video. That would be a fire ass way to know y'all really tuned in. That's hard, bro. I might even do like an alternative version, same sneakers in a different colorway. I think that would be hard, but we'll get into that when that happens. Black Cement 3s sold out, but you still could have got them type thing. And I think that's a great space to be. I'm not gonna lie. You have enough time to know if you want them, and if not, they go on. And that's it. You have to make the decision, live with it, and that's what it is. So you have enough time to get them. If you don't want them, truly, you're gonna miss out on them. They're gonna sell out, and then you either gonna regret it, or you're gonna be alright. Or you're gonna be alright. That's all it is. These go crazy though, especially on feet. I know y'all seeing the on feet and you like, damn, I should have copped them shits. Should have stuck with your guns, buddy. Do it more often, whether it's to buy them or not to buy them. Because sometimes we buy some shit that look pearly on the website, get here and it's like, what the fuck? Hold up, don't need them. And now you can't even get your money back because you tried them on. Now you really sick. It is what it is, bro. That's another video right there. 7 do's and don'ts as a sneakerhead. Bro, I'm crafting, bro. I'm cooking. Is the end of this video. If y'all enjoyed this one, make sure you go ahead, leave a like down below. Goal is 300, but really it's like 1,000. You feel me? The goal is like 1,000. So get the video to 1,000 likes. Subscribe to the channel. We on road to 100K. Yeah, bro. These are out of here. Low key, they sold out in most websites. I know some malls might have them depending where you're located. This is one of those pairs that I know for sure near me. These is out of here. These is out of here near me, bro. This is top 3 sneakers out here. Black Cement 3s are too solid. That pretty much does it for this video though. I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching. Make sure you spend some time with your loved ones because you don't know how much time we got left. And all that being said, stay grounded, bro. Continue forward. Dead ass. Like, do not stop. Stop procrastinating and keep going forward. You're gonna make your way through for it. I appreciate y'all, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.